So, hi guys! Welcome sa my first vlog ko. I decided to do a vlog for my journey to SM East Ortigas to visit the Carrot Zone doon, which is the first ever Carrot Zone, or shall I say, first ever journey ko or gala ko papunta somewhere na made for 17 carats. So basically, it is organized by the, I forgot what it is called, but it's the Philippine Carrots. Philippine Carrots organized this carrot zone for us carrots in SM East Ortigas. It's only open until July 17, which is the last day of SM East Ortigas Carrot Zone, and also Wonu's birthday. So basically, excited ako. Hindi siya, I don't know how much excited I am, pero I'm looking forward to it. Sabi naman ng mga karat is sulit naman siya since it's free, it's enjoyable, and manifest ko lang may mga standees ng 17, which is, yung mga standees kasi it shows their real height. I'm curious sa mga height nila. Pero I saw na there's many zones or places in the Carrot Zone where you can take pictures. So I'll just put it in my vlog. Tomorrow, I'll going to start my vlog tomorrow during I'm in the SM with my pinsans. And also, after going to Carrot Zone, we also plan to watch Inside Out 2 in the cinema after enjoying myself in the Carrot Zone. Pero, ready na rin naman mga outfit ko, mga gamit ko. So, I'll just show you guys tomorrow. See you tomorrow! So, hi guys. Tapos ko na yung makeup ko. Hindi nyo masyadong, how can I say this? Hindi nyo siya masyadong makikita. Pero, hindi ko naman against the light. Never mind. I'm just going to fix my hair lastly. And, show you guys my final outfit. Kasi, why not? So, currently, pinapainit ko yung straightener ko. I'm going to fix my bangs and kind of curl this. Pero basa pa siya. So, yeah, I'm going to be back after. So, makeup muna tayo. So, makeup. It's Rose Quartz Serenity. Serenity. Never mind. Rose Quartz Serenity. Then, I put my lashes up. Hindi pa siya enough sa akin, pero pwede na. I put some lipstick na lip gloss muna. Hindi pa ako nagdi-lipstick para hindi siya mahulas. And blush and some Shining Shimmering Splendid. Hindi ako nag-eyeliner kasi eyeliner ko, di ko din alam saan pa ito eh. So, I'm gonna be back after I fix my hair. So, yun na. Hi guys, again, I'm back. So, I'm ready na. Medyo hindi ako mukhang okay sa camera. Pero pwede na. So, everything's set. That's my bag. Huwag na tayo mag-what's in the bag kasi hindi yun yung birthday. So, antayin na lang natin mga pinsan ko. Then, I'm going to go larga na. Tulog na yung kapatid ko. So, I'm all set and ready to go. So, I'm all set. Antayin na lang natin talaga yung mga pinsan ko. Ba't masyadong naka-zoom? Never mind. So, mainit. Hindi ako masyadong glowing kasi asara yung cortina. Ano ba itong buhok ko? Okay na yan. Mamaya ulam na rin lang yan. So, I'm going to go to SM East Ortigas. Pupunta ako sa Carrot Zone doon. And then, after, siguro we're going to have our lunch muna before going to watch Inside Out 2 in the cinema. So, yeah. So, this is my bag. Mga abubot lang naman laman yan. And I also bought photo cards, of course. I have unofficial photo cards ng mga members sa wallet ko. And then, I bought the official 3 members, which is my biases. I have Sungcho at the back of my phone. I have Mingyu, and I have Seungkwan. Say hi, Aya. Currently, on the way to SMS Ortigas. Kuya, say hi. Kuya, Carla, say hi. Vlog ko.
5 minutes. 10 minutes.
It's against the light. So, dito na kami sa East Ortigas.
Tawagan mo mama mo.
Pagpasok pa lang, binati na ako ng Busok Soon. And ni Peter. Wow. Be here with me. Grabe ba? Okay, I'm going to update after kung makita yung carrot zone. Nahanap ko na yung carrot zone. Pero makakain mo na kami. Ang pupugi!
Kain na muna.
Pagpasok mo pa lang, 7 PM ang sasalubong sa'yo. Tapos pag alalakad ka konti, makikita mo na yung carrot zone. Pagkakit mo ng second floor, pinatugtog happy ending. Currently, Doremi ng Maknae line. So, paano hindi ka ma-excite? Asa na yun? There is Gyeonghan, Woozi, and Mingyu standing. Tangkad ni Mingyu. Hi, doggy. Wow. World. Thanks.
Ano ba yung mga Jollibee?
Kakain mo na kami. Then I'm gonna be back with
Kumain. Kain ka ba?
with 7 Karat Zone. Gusto ko na tingin tayo ng unsealed albums. Nagpasama na pala tayo. I don't know what to buy with my money. Ginagawa. Hindi na narating. So, wala ka tayong makikita na Wono standing. Pero guess what I found? Wono, the face shop. Ah! Hoy! Hi, Wono! Babalik tayo sa Carrot Zone. Because, oh yun oh, Pogi. Pogi. So, nakailang song na ba ako? 17 songs at the background. I saw Ji Chang-wook, I saw Jeonwon Woo, and I saw 7. Dito na ako, kuya. We're going to buy an album. Thank you kay tita. Thank you kay mama. Oh my God. There are a lot of coffee. Balikan natin. Hello po. Bili na po ako ng isang album. Yung isa po sana, yung di ko po alam member.
Sige, ito.
Apa?
Ano to? 950.
950.
Oo. Hindi ko kasi siya pwede ibaba eh.
Pero po may kasama pa rin po siya.
Oo.
Sige po, yan na lang po. So, balik tayo. I already bought some stuff from the Carrot. This is a classic and I bought something too. Meron din sa bag ko. We're going to operate in the cinema. Since manonood din kami ng cinema. Pero hanapin muna natin mga pinsan ko to, you know, para lang natin nasa sila, and I'm going to open this in the cinema. So I'm going to be back and come unbox with me. So here's my abubot that I bought. 50 pesos Jonghan. Kung yung ano yun. This is Jonghan. Pogi, ang ganda niya. Then I bought this for 10 pesos. Lumupord. I bought Wonu, Sungguan. Ay, Wonu. This is Fuzin, Sungguan, June, and of course Jonghan and Joshua. Okay. And since bumili ako ng 17 Heaven album na hindi ko pa siya na-unbox, I got 4 free photo cards. I got Joshua, I got Dino, and I got Tumingli. So I already have 4 members. Here's all of the photo cards. And I also got this for free. I don't know what do you call this. It's like a paper or whatsoever. And I bought 2 Carrot bracelets. And this Carrot keychain. It's not a keychain anymore. Then I got some other freebies. I got stickers of 2 stickers of 17. And I can see anything. Then my pinsan got me 17 Heaven God of Music 11th mini album na cards. I-unbox ko muna siya sa bahay. Para you know, okay. First one lang. So ngayon, this one. Is this official? It is official. Let's try to open it. Nakabahan ako ah. Hindi ko siya bubuksan ng buo. Kasi sabi na nagbebenta. Let me tell him what I got or who I bought. Hala, hindi ko siya makukuha. Wala rin akong kuko. I mean, I have a kuko, pero hindi siya yung... Pero piso. Ngayon lang kayo makita ng tao na pinipiso na atong hurting. Siya ba ko masira. Ngayon, napapasok ko. Nakaban ako. What album is this? Oops, naman. Mag-surrender ko. Wait. Unbox. Okay. Track this. What is this? Lyric book. Wait lang. Nakita ko na yung mga photo cards. Oh no! Oh my God! Then a binder. Okay, si Wono. Sino to? This is the one that... Wait lang. Nagkahanap ako ng Hoshi na hindi ko makita-kita. Okay, with that Hoshi. Oh! Oh! Wait lang. Seryoso? So, ano yun? Boom! Ang dami ko. I have 2 sa bahay. Official. 2 hindi official. 2 unofficial. And then, another official menu. You are meant to be. Oh my God. Hindi pa lang dalawa lang. Ay, oo. Uy. Mingyu. Umuwi siya. Oh my God. I got 2 Hoshi. Isang DK. I already got 2 official dito. Ano? Parang okay. Okay, enough na. This is enough. It's enough. Tabi mo naman siya. Oh my God, wow. Alam, minuan ko pala umuwi. Umuwi si Mingyu. I got this. Uy. Oh no, ano to? Seryoso? Ang cute ito. Okay, that's it for the unboxing. Oh my God. Seryoso ba? Is this for real? Wow. Umuwi si Mingyu. Umuwi. Ang dami ko ng Mingyu. His for sure is memorized. He is memorized. Okay, tabi na natin. I also got this CD. Ang ganda. Balik na. Heaven Carat version. Oh my God. Sabi na natin. This is too much. I mean, sulit talaga siya. Sulit na sulit siya. Oh my God. Ang hindi lang umuwi sa akin si Sungchul kasi si Sungkwan. Sungchul and Sungkwan. Pero pwede. This is what I'm talking about. This is the official one. So, now, itabi muna natin ito mga ito because I'm going to buy something for my sister. I bought some things. Wait lang, yung pabango niya. Pabango ni Sungkwan. I got pabango ni Sungkwan and pabango ni Mingyu. Pabango ni Mingyu na Adbrook. Tapos pabango ni Sungkwan sweet scent. Bilang na siya sa bye-bye. Balik ako.
버스 안에서 going